Okay guys, let's say you are given a work to work on Grace of Lovin as a term paper and how you're going to source the materials. It's always recommended for you to use journals. So the first thing you will do is for you to click on the Chrome of your computer or your phone. It will open to you. Sorry, this one is already opened. Let's return. Let's start afresh. When you open your Chrome, it opens this user interface for you. The next thing you do is for you to search the most highly used journal in the world, PubMed. There are other journals too you can search. So PubMed, once you click for PubMed, then you allow it to open. When it opens, it's always good for you to create accounts with them. So when you have account, it's easier for you to access most of the materials and be able to download them very well. So, but I'll show you that later. So had it been, because I have account with them, I can easily log in. But since you don't have account, you go to the search engine. You now paste what you are looking for here. We're looking for Grace of Lovin drug and everything related to it. We're looking at materials or works that have been published on this particular drug, Grace of Lovin. Then we search. Then when we search, it will pop up a lot of material that have been published. Look at these materials. This material 1 published in 2001. This one is published in 1988. This one is published in 2014. This one is published in 1960. This one is published in 1959. This one is published in 1960, and every other materials about it. So by the time you consult all these materials, you have had enough information that you're going to use to do the paper review. Then let's click on this one now. And by the time you read these materials one after the other, you have a good information about it. So this particular product, this particular work was published by M. Devlos in 2001. So when you read these abstracts, when you have read these abstracts, everything I've said about Lovin, you read another person's work. Then you combine the information you have and use it to actually tackle that subtopic. Let's say dosage part of it. You have gotten information from this person. But each information you have gotten from him, to avoid plagiarism, you must cite the source. And for you to get the source, look at here, click Cite. Once you click Cite or network, it will have to load again, okay? Let's try it again. Once you click on the site, it will pop up the exact, now look at now. This is in LML, not in APA. So for you to convert it to APA, you click on here. Once you click it, it asks you APA. You click APA. Automatically it converts to APA. So at the end of your work, you are going to cite Devlos M2001, Grace of Lovin, blah blah blah, all this here at your references. Then in text citation, you are only going to be citing Devlos 2001. Okay, for your in-text what? So you copy it from here immediately so that you go and paste it in your work at the reference search. Then by the time you read this man's work, you read his work, read everything. Let's say you are looking for dosage part of it. Then you are done with that one. You return back, go and open another person's work. You copy those ones that you are interested in. Now when you go back to your main work, you now rewrite it in your own words, because don't copy exactly. But if you must copy exactly, it should be short and with inverted comma. Then you cite. With that way, you avoid plagiarism. So now, let's look for another work also related to this article. So by the time you must have gone through a lot of works published in this PubMed, you have gathered a lot of information. So that is how you use PubMed. So your work is to criticize. You look at what this person said in 2001. You look at what this person said in 2002. You look at what this person in 1988. You look at what this person said in 2000. By the time you are done reviewing their works, you are almost done with your works. You have gotten enough information. Thank you very much.